Big, big. Small, small. Big, big. Small, small. Are there 3 teachers in this room? No, there are not 3 teachers in this room. Are there 9 teachers in this room? No, there are not 9 teachers in this room. How many teachers are there in this room? There is 1 teacher in this room. Is this room big? No, this room is not big. Is this room small? Yes, this room is small. Is there a glass of water on the floor? No, there is not a glass of water on the floor. Is there a glass of water on the table? Yes, there is a glass of water on the table. How many glasses of water are there on the table? There is 1 glass of water on the table. Is this glass big? Yes, this glass is big. Is this glass small? No, this glass is not small. It is big. Is there a table on the wall? No, there is not a table on the wall. Is there a table on the ceiling? No, there is not a table on the ceiling. Where is the table? The table is on the floor. How many tables are there on the floor? There is 1 table on the floor. Is this table big or small? This table is big. Are there 4 students on this chair? No, there are not 4 students on this chair. Are there 2 students on this chair? No, there are not 2 students on this chair. How many students are there on this chair? There is 1 student on this chair. Is there a ceiling light on the floor? No, there is not a ceiling light on the floor. Is there a ceiling light on the wall? No, there is not a ceiling light on the wall. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. How many ceiling lights are there on the ceiling? There are 4 ceiling lights on the ceiling. Are you a student or a teacher? I am a student. Am I a student or a teacher? You are a teacher. Am I a Spanish teacher? No, you are not a Spanish teacher. Am I a French teacher? No, you are not a French teacher. Am I an English teacher? Yes, you are an English teacher.